So today I'm gonna do just to put this one whole thing like this,
Wow, so much garlic?
like that, and then I just put it into the oven.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you have 5 big bulbs of garlic.
5 cloves and enough for the whole.
So 5 into 1.
With butter.
Wow.
That's
a
actually
lot.
I made it before.
Okay.
I put it at 5.
Wow, that's huge. That's a lot.
But actually, I can make it and I can keep it for next time, right? So I can make it the whole thing.
Okay.
But of course, you can do only 1 plus just a little bit.
No, look, the more garlic, the better.
You know?
If you're gonna use this whole thing.
Right. So that's why I'm gonna make everything today.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put into oven this one.
And what temperature and how long?
It's a 350, and it's gonna be take almost 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. Very good.
I had to check, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, let's go pick up. Nice.
How can you touch that, Hiro?
Magic
Wow.
hand.
It's still bubbling. Take a look at that.
And a little bit of making cooling down.
Cooling down now, right?
Okay. So now I need to take the skin off. Just to hot, so.
Let me see how hot this is.
Yeah,
So
still a
that
little
my
bit hot, you know.
trusty tin, 150 degrees. Not bad. 160 off of these. There's a 172 degrees. Oh, this is super hot still, you know?
So this is everything is became very, very soft right now.
Yeah.
Steaming.
Steaming, yeah. So inside should be pretty much roasted.
Yeah, it's already roasted. You can see very soft.
Smells great.
Alright.
Because I've never tried this at home. Let me tell you, get some whipped butter.
Yeah, cut off the top like that, right? And just go like this. Pinch. Cut to the edge. Then just pinch it.
It's like, almost like a mashed.
Okay. Some of that, yes, some of that are still a little bit hot, a little bit tough, you know. So I'm gonna use it only for soft one. This is soft already. Okay, everything baked the garlic. Then I'm gonna start smashing. Like a mashed potato, right?
Oh yeah. Looks just like it.
Then if you find a little hard one, just take it off. As much you can, just smashing. Okay, that's good. So now, get a little more cooling down, then I'm gonna add the whipped butter. Next one, I'm gonna add the whipped butter.
Yeah, one thing you gotta make sure that Hiro did off camera, make sure this is nice and cool. Because if not, this garlic is gonna melt the butter and you don't want that.
Yeah, melting right away, so.
Yeah, you wanna keep it this consistency.
Then you can add that little by little. Now I'm gonna add now more butter. Anyway, I want to make a whole this container garlic butter. So
Oh, nice. Garlic butter. It's a real deal.
right.
That's how you really do it.
Okay, and I'll do the black pepper. Okay, then now I'm gonna add the soy sauce, little by little, not too much, at the one time, little by little. Oop, that's accident.
Where?
The soy sauce coming out to my face a little bit. Okay, get a nice color.
And this is how you make the garlic butter from Benihana. Look at this. Every time we go there, so many people ask for extra butter on the side. They just love it, so they put huge spoonfuls on the fried rice they make, on the vegetables they cook. It's just amazing. Look at that color. It's like a tan color, like a light brown, light tan brown color, I guess.
Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to the container.
You fit all inside, huh? So this is 1 container of whipped butter, 5 bulbs of garlic that's been roasted, back in this container. Incredible.
Okay, this is the garlic butter.